Welcome back to Auto Geeks What's in the Garage. Mike is ready to look at TJ's 65 Thunderbird.
So what's the story behind the 65 over here?
The 65, I got it from a doctor in Morganton, North Carolina.
Now, what size engine does this have?
This has got the 390 engine in it.
Okay, so it's got big block in it.
Right.
Yeah. Really feel the power. You put your foot down on the floor?
Right.
Okay. Let's take a look. Now, this was originally a white with a white interior, correct?
Right.
Wow, this is beautiful. My dad has a 1965, and it's actually got the blue interior like you've got in the console here.
Right.
Yeah, it's also very pretty.
Did it have the slide-away steering?
It has the slide-away steering wheel, yes. And the gauges that looks, and the pull switches are kind of like the airlines back then.
Right,
Yeah.
and also the speedometer on it.
Uh-huh.
It starts out on yellow, and the faster, like 60 mile an hour,
Yeah.
it starts red, gets redder.
Yeah? Oh, that's interesting.
Right.
Well, let's take a look at the motor.
Okay.
So this is a 390 Ford big block.
Big right.
Wow, look at that. Just like the other one, it's 100% stock. It's
Yeah.
immaculate, it's clean. It's a very simple technology back then. It made it real easy for a car guy to work on it.
Right.
Yeah. So it's basically a brand new car, completely restored.
Yeah, it's
So you've got
it's
two
brand new.
Thunderbirds completely restored in an immaculate garage. This thing is clean enough to eat off the floor. It's even shiny.
Well, thank you.
You've got a built-in vacuum. I see you've got little features over here where you can hook your vacuum up the cars if they get dirty. I see you got an air compressor over here. You got all the tools you need to
Right.
completely keep these things maintained. You got a floor lift or a hydraulic lift here, so you can bring it up.
Right.
Do the oil change yourself if you need to. I hear you're part of the Ford racing team.
Well, I was Ford racing from El Home and Moody for 10 years.
10 years.
From 1968, I run a 1969 Ford 429 Boss
Wow.
engine,
Yeah.
which there's very few of them.
Yeah.
And
Does that car still exist now?
it is in a museum at Wilmington, North Carolina.
Okay. Well, TJ, thank you so much for sharing your cars with us today.
I appreciate you guys coming, and it's been good showing them to you.
Which one's your favorite one to drive?
Favorite one to drive is 65.
65? You like the power?
Right.
Yeah, it's because you used to race cars.
Right.
Okay.
It's time for Show Car Garage. Tips on detailing your car to bring out the beauty that will make it show-worthy. Brought to you by AutoGeek.net. We are Car Care.
Hey, today I want to share with you a really cool product called Poor Boy's Black Hole Show Car Glaze. Now, this is a product for dark colors like black, reds, dark blues to really bring up the shine and the clarity and the gloss of the paint. Now, it's not actually a product that will remove the swirls, it just kind of masks them. And so this comes in real handy if you're short on time or you don't want to spend the whole day buffing out your car, you just want to get it ready for the show and you want it looking good. Now, what I got over here is a 72 Challenger, it's black, and everybody knows black is the hardest color there is to make look good. And I'm just going to show you how easy this product is to use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take and place the tape line down here, and then you can apply this by hand or by machine. Now, I prefer to work by machine because it takes all the work out of the process. Okay, so this is it. This is the Poor Boy's Black Hole Show Car Glaze. You always want to shake it a little bit before you use it. And again, you can apply it by hand or machine. I'll show you how to apply it by hand first. Just take and pour some onto your pad, and then bring it down here and work it in really good. Kind of like you're putting a lotion on dry skin. Okay. Now, you could do the whole car like that, or if you're like me and you like to work by machine, take any kind of soft finishing pad or polishing pad and take and apply some of the Black Hole Show Car Glaze right to the pad. And then, let me put the cord over my shoulder, then just bring it down, and on a medium speed setting, I'm on the 5. Just work that into the paint. Go back and forth, make 2 or 3 passes over each square inch. And then what you want to do is you want to let that dry to a light haze. And then after it's dried, take a clean microfiber towel, fold it 4 ways, give you plenty of cushion, it's gentle to the paint, and just carefully wipe that off. Just like that. Now let's pull the tape off and check out the before and after results. Amazing. Now, if you want it to last a little bit longer, you can take and put some wax on there, and that'll lock in the shine. It'll help it to endure through car washes, inclement weather like rain, snow. Anyway, this is Poor Boys Blue Natty's Paste Wax. And just take a clean applicator pad, put it in here, just kind of twist it over the surface like that, then come down, put some wax on. This is a real nice finishing wax. There's no cleaners in it. And what it's going to do is it's going to lock in that shine so it'll last over time. And again, since it's a wax, you want to allow it to dry to a haze, and then using a clean microfiber towel, come down real gently, wipe that off. And in no time, you can create a show car finish or go for a cruise.